Welcome back to this Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a chart to a report in Salesforce Lightning. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce Lightning, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a chart to a report in Salesforce Lightning is a straightforward process that offers several advantages, enhancing the effectiveness and usability of our data analysis and reporting efforts, because charts provide a visual representation of complex data sets, making it easier to identify trends, patterns, and outliers at a glance. This visual context helps users interpret data more quickly and intuitively than rows and columns and numbers. All right. Now, for us to be able to add a chart to a report, I want you to go to this specific section. I want you to go to the reports tab. Okay. Now, if you don't have recent reports yet, just click on the view all reports to see what's available. All right. For example, we're going to see the activities by a salesperson. Click on it. And there's going to be an option that says add chart. It's a very easy process, really. All right. Now from here, once you have added the chart to your report, basically you have multiple options at the side. You see the chart properties. I want you to click on it because you can display the chart as bar right here or a column, right? This one, it's very interactive, right? You can use a stack bar, but the thing is, depending on the report style, which you can access the stacked bar and the stack column. All right. You can also use line right here. So it's up to you how to navigate. And of course, you can use donut, which is very cool. All right. A very interactive way of representation. All right. So as for that, you can use funnel. Now here, you can choose the most suitable chart type and configure parameters such as grouping, summarization, and filtering to tailor the visualization to their specific reporting needs. You also have the scatter plot. All right. Now, users can interact with the chart to explore underlying data specific to the data points, providing a more granular view of the information being analyzed. And of course, by presenting the data visually, charts facilitates faster and more accurate decision making, because users can identify trends or anomalies that may require action, helping organizations respond to promptly to changing conditions opportunities. It's a very easy and a straightforward process of adding chart to a reporting. And after that, you also have an option to record count, assigned by different values. You can choose default palette, or you can choose the gray palette if you wanted. Or if you don't, choose a safe color. All right. You have show value, show percentage. You can also choose the legend position if it's going to be right, and bottom. Now, after that, if you're not happy with the chart that you added, just click on remove chart. But of course, you can also rename the chart that you wanted to make it more official, so that collaborators within their team, for example, if you're working with a freelancers, with their clients, they may know that this specific chart was dedicated to a specific report. All right. And again, if you're not happy, just click on remove chart. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.